Hello students, welcome back to Marvel classes. So far we discussed 4 different types of polynomials using 3 rules. If all the rules are not satisfied for a particular problem, then how to factorize using simple technique. Again, here rule 1 is not possible. Sum of all coefficients minus 9, 7 plus 6. Sum not equal to 0. Coefficients of even powers and coefficients of odd powers. So what is the sum of odd powers? Sum of odd powers equal to 9 and sum of even power equal to minus 3. Again, rule 2 not satisfies, rule 1 not satisfies. This is P of x. Okay, then how to solve this, how to find the factors of this polynomial. Now take the constant term 6, the factors are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6. Plus 1 and minus 1 are rule 1 actually. X equal to 1 for rule 1 and x equal to minus 1 for rule 2. Now by trial and error method you have to take either plus or minus 2 or plus or minus 3 or plus or minus 6. Now we can take 2 because here plus 6. So what are the coefficients of the polynomial? X cube coefficient is 2 and x square is minus 9 and x is 7, constant term is 6. If you take 2 as a 0 by trial and error method, now apply synthetic division concept. 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 into 2 4 and this is minus 5, correct? Minus 5 into 2 minus 10 and this is minus 3 and this is minus 6. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6, 0, that is a remainder. So what is the corresponding quotient? 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Sum is minus 5 and product is minus 6. So what are the factors? Sum is minus 5, product is minus 6. So minus 6 into plus 1. Minus 6 into plus 1 minus 6 and minus 6 plus 5 is minus 5. So 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. 2x into x minus 3 into the corresponding factor is 1 and the factors are x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Therefore, the factors of P of x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, the corresponding factor is x minus 2. The other factors are x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. Suppose if you are applying factor theorem, we can directly find P of 2, P of 3, P of minus half. No need to waste by trial and error method. So these rules are very, very important for factorization of polynomial of degree 3 or 4. And if you apply this rule, you can save the time. Okay. So what are the zeros now? Zeros are 2 comma x minus 2, x equal to 2, x equal to 3 and this is minus half. Okay. So this is an example for a polynomial which is not satisfying rule 1, rule 2, rule 3. So in that case you have to apply trial and error method. Okay. And this is an example for this type 5. See here, instead of variable x, here m is given. You can use any variable. Say m cube plus 3m square minus 4m minus 12, the factors are given. Okay. Do it yourself, very important. If you practice these do it yourself problems, it will be useful for your school and board examination. Okay. Thank you. Hello students, welcome back to Marvel classes. This is another example. The final answer is not like previous 4 questions. Here the final answer will be different because of one reason. I'll explain later. First, let the polynomial be P of x. And here rule 1, check whether rule 1 is satisfied. So rule 1 is not satisfied. And the coefficients of even powers and coefficients of odd powers. So What is sum of coefficients of odd powers? 2. Sum of coefficients of even powers minus 13. Again not equal to rule 2. Rule 2 is also not satisfied. Also not satisfied. Okay. Now by trial and error method, the factors of minus 14. So what are the factors of minus 14? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 7, plus or minus 14. Now I'll start with 2. The coefficients of given polynomial, x cube coefficient 1, x square coefficient 1, and x coefficient is 1, and the constant term is minus 14. First we'll try with 2. Okay. Now put 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 into 7, 14. 0, which is remainder. Therefore, what is the quotient? Quotient is constant term, x square term. X square plus 3x plus 7. Here sum is 3 and product is 7. All are positive numbers. Sum is positive and product is positive. Product is positive. Here only the possibility is 7. But 7 into 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. But this is 3. Or if you put minus sign, minus 7, minus 7, minus 1. Minus 7 into minus 1 plus 7. And if you add these two numbers, minus 8. But here plus 3 is there. So 100% factorization is not possible. And hence, how to write the final answer? The final answer is P of x equal to x equal to 2 is a 0, and hence x plus 2 is a factor. And this is not possible to factorize. Okay. And hence the final answer is x square plus 3x plus 7. This is not possible to factorize, and hence leave it. The quadratic polynomial with real zeros plus 7. So whenever the quotient is not possible to factorize, leave the quotient as it is. That is one of the factor. Here the factor is quadratic and here the factor is linear. And very important, it has the degree of this polynomial is 3. It has 3 zeros, but at present 0 is minus 2 only. This is not real zeros. In higher class you have how to solve this type of problem using a new concept called complex numbers, okay, or irrational numbers. But here not possible because it has complex roots or complex zeros. So the only 0 is minus 2 because this factor not possible to factorize. Also it has only unreal zeros, not real zeros. This is one of the best example for a polynomial which contains one quadratic factor which has unreal root. Similar sum is given. Do it yourself and verify whether this answer is correct. Thank you. Hello students, welcome back to Marvel classes. This is a last type of factorization, and this is a special case. Why it is special case? Because it has only even powers. 4th degree, 2nd degree, that is power 4, power 2 and constant term. All are even powers. There is no odd power in this polynomial. And assume this polynomial as P of x. Okay. Whenever a biquadratic polynomial has only even powers, we have very simple technique called substitution method. Put x square equal to another new variable y. So what is this polynomial becomes x square the whole square minus 5x square plus 4, and this is y square minus 5y plus 4. Y square minus 5y plus 4. Now sum and product. Sum is minus 5, product is 4. So what are the factors for 4? The sum is larger number and hence the factors are minus 4, minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4, and minus 4 minus 1, if you add these two numbers, minus 5. Therefore, we can write y square minus 4y minus 5 plus 4, which is equal to y into y minus 4, y minus 4 is a common factor, and hence the coefficient, remaining coefficient is minus 1. So which is equal to y minus 4 into y minus 1. But the original variable is x, but here the variable is y. So what is y equal to? 4, and before that we will write this as x square minus 4 into x square minus 1. We have formula for this ready-made identity: a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. But this substitution method is possible only when it has even powers, otherwise you can't apply this substitution method. Therefore, what are the zeros of the polynomial? The zeros are minus 1, plus 1, minus 2 and plus 2. 4 zeros because of degree 4. But this is special case because it has only even powers, it has no odd powers. Whenever the polynomial has only even powers, apply this substitution method. Substitution method. Substitution method. Okay. Similar sum you can practice at home, and the zeros are plus or minus 2 and plus or minus 3. Almost here the values are always equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. The answer will be like this only because of the substitution is even power. Okay. Thank you.